All right, this is Dr. Eldridge again, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how you can record your poems and how you can turn your poems into pictures. All right, so first of all, let's do something simple. We're going to turn each one of our poems into a picture that we can upload into Canva because it doesn't really work with Word documents or PDFs. So we're going to go ahead and just create PNG or picture files for each one. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the search bar in your computer right here and hit the snipping tool. Now keep in mind this is for Windows computers exclusively. So make sure you're on the photo. You want to hit new. Now your screen is going to turn black like this or dark or gray, whatever color it turns. And then you want to highlight exactly what it is that you want to take a picture of. So now that I've highlighted that, I have this picture saved as a screenshot. And you can see it's just a full image, right? So now I want to save this. Now you can either click the three dots and go to, well, no, I don't see save as right here. So I'm going to hit this, hit that file disk, and then I'm going to name this. This is going to be cover letter screenshot. And okay, you can choose where you want this to save. Now I'm going to let it go ahead and save in my pictures file. So, and I'll show you how you can find that later, but I'm going to save this. Now I have a picture of my cover letter in my pictures file. So in order to find that, I will go down here to this yellow file, and that's going to bring up all of the files in your computer. Then you're going to go over to this left-hand side right here with all of these different tabs, and you're going to click the one that says pictures. And as you can see right there is my cover letter screenshot. And if I double click it, now I can see that it's just a picture of the same thing that I had from my Windows. Now, you need to know where these are saved because you're going to come back and have to access these things when you want to upload these files into Canva, and you'll see about that in the next video. But for now, that's that. Now I'm going to go to the voice recorder. You're going to go to that, back to that one, and you're going to go to, it's called a sound recorder, voice recorder. It's the same thing. Okay. Oh, don't tell me I need an update. All right. So we're going to see what happens. Pause. Okay. Sorry about that. I had to take a few moments to let my computer update. Now, as you can see, the red button is what you're going to click when you're ready to start recording. But what is it that I'm recording? So you want to make sure that your input is correct. Now I need to select the input for my microphone, which is right here, right? Because if you don't have the correct input, then you're not going to be able to record yourself speaking. So now I want to also pull up I'm going to go back to my downloads, and I'm going to pull up my portfolio, my poetry portfolio, and I'm going to record myself reading my poem. So let me just put it on screen so you can see it. Now, I'm not going to read the entire thing, but I just want to show you how this is supposed to go. So you're going to hit this recording button. Yes. The library's whisperer. And the hush between the shelves, a whisper slips from leather spines. Ink ghosts curling into air, quiet tales that throb like heartbeat. Fingertips graze gilded names, but you don't want to make those mistakes. All right. So let's just and if you make a mistake, you can always just delete this and try again. But I want right now, this is just a test. Okay. Now you can hear that and see that it was recorded and that it's clean. So I'm going to be able to actually use that recording when I want to. So now I have this recording saved. Now I want to know, I'm going to go to, when you're ready to see where your recordings are saved to, you're going to click this little three dots right here in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to go to show in folder, and it's going to show you where your recording is saved. Then you're going to rename that. And you rename it by, you can either right click on it and go to, rename right here at the top. Or what I like to do is you don't double click, you just click on it twice slowly and type in the library whisperer. And there you go. There I have my recording. So now what I just showed you was how to create a recording for your voice, how to record yourself reading your poem, and then how to create screenshots of yourself, of screenshots or pictures of your poem so that you can upload them into Canva.